Video to solve the problem about the PC App Store virus on your computer. Are you also facing this problem where a PC App Store virus keeps showing ads, changing your browser, or slowing down your PC? Stay with me, because this will make it simple to remove safely. The PC App Store virus usually comes from fake downloads, software bundles, or malicious websites. Once it gets in, it changes browser settings, adds pop-ups, and sometimes installs extra programs without your permission. Many people get frustrated because even after trying to delete it, it keeps coming back and slows down their PC. You may see many solutions online, but most of them are complicated. They tell you to edit the registry, remove system files manually, or use multiple tools that are hard to trust. When I faced this problem, those methods wasted my time. But I solved it with one secret easy trick that removes the virus completely and keeps it from returning. If you want me to make a full step-by-step tutorial on how to remove the PC App Store virus securely, just comment down below. I will show you the easiest method so your PC works normally again. And for more simple Windows fixes, stay close to my channel Rexish because I always share the easiest ways to solve these problems.